Yes, I made my whole team cry when we did this, but I had a little gentleman. He would come to all my sales. He was a bidder, so he would come and pick up things. And so he bought a Steiff teddy bear in an auction, and he paid quite a bit for it. We're like, that's, he paid a lot for that bear. But then he gave me an envelope, and then he was like, please give this to the owner, and let them know. Well, I didn't want to tell him the owner was, no longer around, so I took it, and I was like, okay, great, I'll let them know. So, but when we read it, his wife had passed away. And so he had buried a Steiff bear that was just like the one he bought with his wife. And so he was like, now I have the Steiff bear again, and I can put it on my mantle and always look at it. And so we were all just like, in tears over that. And it was just so sweet. So I always think, to a lot of people, they're just things, but to certain people, those things mean a whole lot. So to them, just that, stuffed teddy bear meant a lot to him. So.